What's up, guys? An Everyday Canadian, and today we are growing some crystals that Owen found at the dollar store.
Yeah.
Right, Owen?
Yeah.
So he wanted to do a video showing you guys growing some crystals. So we have 3 packets for 3 different colors of crystals.
We have red, green, and purple.
Yeah. We tried to look at some information on the packs. It just tells you what it comes with, but there's not a whole lot of information on it. So these are from the dollar store. And I think Megatron wants to help too. So we're going to open these up and then we'll get started. Alright guys, so there is instructions. It was in the package. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so we need 180 milliliters of water and bring to a boil.
Okay, so first you're gonna let the water heat up very slowly, and you're gonna wanna pour some crystals into the bag, leaving 1/8 of the crystals left in the bag, and stir continuously till the crystals have dissolved. Once they've dissolved, then you're gonna let the water get to room temperature, and then you're gonna wanna pour it back into the tray where your rocks are provided with.
Alright guys, it's been about an hour. So our liquid is now at room temperature. So we're going to pour it into our glass and prepare for the next step. Alright, we got our container. We got some rocks. So we're just going to fill up our liquid until we've reached the halfway mark of the rocks. Just do this nice and slow. All right, Owen is going to pour the remainder crystals that we didn't use when we dissolved all of the crystals in the water.
With the top?
Nope, just pour it right there. Actually, if you want, we're just going to play around with this a little bit. Just get some liquid on the rock so it can stick a little bit. And dump all the package all over. You can leave it there, some there. Dump it all over, not just in one spot, all over, bud. Good job.
Oh, that was a little too much.
So we're to leave this for 3 to 4 days. And we're going to go ahead and do the other crystals, and we will see you guys. Alright guys, it's been over a week, and these are our dollar store crystal grow. Doesn't look anything like the pictures, but it was a fun little experiment. Let me know what you guys think. Like, comment, and subscribe.